Legends of Learning presents the Cookie Clone Factory game. This is a math game that makes learning about understanding place value fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, welcome to the magnificent Cookie Clone Factory. Help us fulfill orders by cloning cookies or releasing the Cookie Monster. The factory's owner, Chef, will guide you to multiply, divide, and learn all the basics of place value and the base 10 system. Use the mouse to click on different math answers and then drag and drop the correct answers to the empty spaces to complete the math place number value to learn more about math. Different levels will contain more difficult math problems to solve. Complete all the levels to win the game.
Imagine you have one box of 100.
Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game.
This means
Have fun and enjoy playing.
Keep in mind that the answers might be shown with different place. Oof, that left.